Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add element in Filmora application using your mobile device. To add elements in Filmora app, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up the Filmora application on your device. Click the New Project button in blue or the plus button in blue at the bottom of the screen in order to import a clip you'd like to edit. This will now take you to your device's camera roll. Select one of the clips you would like to edit with Filmora and tap on Import at the bottom right corner. You will be able to import the clip to your timeline. Now, you will be able to see a toolbar appearing at the bottom of your screen. Select one of the elements from the toolbar. There are various elements available such as stickers, text overlays, backgrounds, effects, and more. Choose one of the elements you would like to add onto your video. Once you select the element, position the element that you would like to apply to the video in your desired location. Increase or decrease its size and place it in a desired area. Also make sure to drag the edges on the timeline in order to set the duration of your elements throughout the video. Finally, after selecting one of the elements, click on the export button at the top right corner and export your video. And that's how you can easily add elements in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.